Hello, this is Nicholas Holmes with Enhancement 3. In this video, we were to show that the My Account links on the Home, My Account, and Registration pages. So I'll just demonstrate that first. So here I am on my Home. If I click on My Account, it takes me to my login page. And on this page, if I click My Account, it just loads the same page. You see it's going to my accounts index controller and my name value pairs passed along. And then if I click on create a new account to go to my registration page, you see same thing, to accounts, pass it along. On this page, if I click my account, it goes to back to the login page. So that is working on those three. The next thing is to validate the CSS and HTML on home, login, and registration. So here, home, and I'll validate CSS, and that's good. I'll validate the local HTML. That's good, no warnings or errors. I'll go to my account login page, validate the local CSS. That's good. Validate the local HTML. That's good. Then I'll go to my registration page and validate my local CSS. That's good. And validate local HTML. And that's good. So this concludes my video for Enhancement 3.